Hey guys, this is Taylor here, and today we are solving second question of weekly contest 467. Let's get started. So you are given a positive integer array nums and integer k. Okay. Choose at most k elements from num so that their sum is maximized. However, the chosen number must be distinct. Question is really straightforward. What we need to do, we need to pick the highest k numbers from the array. Okay, and the only condition that is given to me is key there the number should be distinct. Okay, number should be distinct. So if we see the constraints, we have k in the range of nums of length, so that is fine. We can have k equal to 10 and num size equal to 5. That is possible. In that case we also need to handle, but the only condition that is given to me, let's try to try run one example. 84, 93, 100, 77, 90, 77, 90. Let's say our k equal to 3. Okay, so I will pick the highest number. I think 100 is the highest. Next highest is 93. And next highest is 90. In case, let's say I got other 93 one more time, so I will not pick this one. I think in that case, I would have picked 84. So I just need to avoid duplicates, and I will just pick the k numbers, and I will get my answer. Let's say if our array contains like this, let's say key uh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, my array elements are like this, and my k equal to, let's say, 10. So in that case, what I will be doing, I will be picking 1, 2, and 3. Not like in this order. Obviously, I will start from 3, then 2, then 1. I can't pick 1 because I have already picked. I can't to pick because I have already picked. So in that case, my array sum will be 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6, right? So that is my answer. So what we can do, uh, I think we can directly sort the array. After sorting, we will just try to pick the distinct elements. So how we will keep track of distinct elements? I think if you know something about set, so what we can do in set, we can push that. If you push something, it will only keep the distinct elements, right? Let's say I have put 1, 2, 3 here, and if I putting one also, one again here, it will not allow this, right? So what I can do is basically whatever elements I am choosing, I will first check if that is present in my set. If that is present in my set, I will not add it in my sum, and I will not count it in, like I have kept it. I will not count towards this k. Okay, so that way I can keep track of maximum. So once I will sort the array, I will start from the decreasing side, from the maximum number side. I will keep taking the numbers. I will keep pushing the numbers inside. I will check, okay, whether it is present. If it is present, I will not pick. If it is not present, I will pick it. So that's the whole algorithm or intuition behind this. Let's try to code this up. I think question is simple only, so we don't need a pseudocode. So in case you don't understand Python syntax, C++, Java, and JavaScript syntax is in the description. So please make sure you check that out. Now, okay, I lost. Okay, yeah. So yeah, I will just define a set. I can define my set like this. Superb. Now, I will sort the array in decreasing order. Okay, reverse equal to true. So the first element will be the maximum possible. For I in range, I think n. Okay. Now, if uh, if nums of I not in my set, okay, very important. If nums of I is in my set, so I will not pick it. If it is not there, I will pick it. So what I will do, I need to return a array answer, right? So answer would be like this. I don't need to return a sum. I think I told about sum here, right? So we don't returning a sum. So what I need to do, I need to uh, answer dot append nums of I, simple. And also I will reduce the k. Okay, and if my k reaches to 0, I will quickly break last I can return answer. What I'm doing here basically, so every time, let's say my what is the worst case, I think my k will start from 1 to the nums of n. Let's say for example my k is 1, so I will, if like I will just add in my set, I have to add in my set as well, my set dot add nums of I. So okay, so once I have added in my certain answer, I will check. I will reduce k because I have considered that element because that was not present. So I have considered it. Now I have added in my set. Okay, so next time I will ignore it. Now I will quickly check if k, as soon as my k reach to 0, I will break. Why? Because I need to only take the at most k elements, right? So that's why. I hope the question is clear. Let's try to run it. Okay, I think it is working fine. Let's try to submit this and see whether it is correct solution. It is correct solution. Okay, so I hope this solution is clear to you. In case you have any doubts, please feel free to comment. And if you haven't subscribed to us, so please subscribe because the next question solution is coming up. So thank you very much, guys, and we'll meet in the next one.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.